वार्म अप से स्टार्ट करते हैं. फॉर द फर्स्ट वार्म अप, ओपन योर लेग्स आउट मोर देन मैट विड्थ. इंटरलॉक योर हैंड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस कम कर सकते हो. एंड देन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट और राइट फ्रॉम वन साइड एंड स्टार्ट टू रोटेट चक्की चालन. Exhale, come forward, inhale and go back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, open your legs out. Hold both your hands on your right leg. पहले सामने बैक स्ट्रेट करके जहाँ तक होल्ड कर पा रहे हो होल्ड इट. कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट. स्ट्रेच. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हुए लोअर बॉडी से आगे जाना है एंड देन फोल्ड एज मच एज यू कैन एंड स्टे. Slowly come up and to the left. Come up to the right. Up and left. Up, center. Go down. Elbows on the mat. Try. Yes, open your legs as much as possible. Yes. Now fold. Palms पहले नीचे रखो and then try to feel the stretch. With every exhalation, try to go slightly more. Slowly. Keep walking your hands forward to आगे आगे. It will easily go. Stay there. Stay. Nice. Stay where you are. Slowly walk your hands back. Bring your legs together. Shake your legs and stand up. Open both your arms. अभी क्या करना है? We will give a slight twist. तो continuous movement रहेगा. You will twist to the right और left heel को थोड़ा सा ऊपर लाके left hand will go on your right shoulder or twist as much as you can and then we'll do this continuously. Start from the right. 1, yes, keep breathing normally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Bring your feet together. Interlock your hands for Tadasana stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch and then stay. Focus at one point. Stay there. Keep breathing. Relax. Release. अभी स्लाइटली इंक्रीज द डिस्टेंस दोनों पैर में. और क्या करना है? पहले हाथ ऊपर ले जाके गो एज मच एज पॉसिबल एंड देन फोल्ड एज मच एज पॉसिबल. फिर धीरे से अगेन स्ट्रेच अप एंड फोल्ड. कंटिन्यूस मूवमेंट 10 राउंड्स. ब्रीद इन जितना जा सकते हो. कीप ब्रीदिंग. इनहेल पीछे जाते हुए, एक्सहेल फोल्ड. ठीक है, स्टार्ट. इनहेल exhale, inhale, exhale slowly, 3, go down, inhale, हर राउंड में स्लो करो और ट्राई करो पिछले राउंड से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बेंड हो पाओ, 6, fold, 7, exhale, हाथ और सर साथ में लेकर आओ ऊपर नीचे, 8, 9 and 10. अभी स्टे डाउन, दोनों एल्बोज पकड़ो एक दोनों हाथ से and bring your body weight slightly forward on the front of your feet and hang in there. Just loosen your upper body और slowly body ऊपर लाते हुए सर को सबसे लास्ट में ऊपर लाना है. Come up vertebrae by vertebrae slowly and bring your head at the last. 1, stretch, fold forward, palms on the mat, jump back, inhale and up, exhale Parvatasana, look forward, bend your knees, jump forward between your palms, fold completely, come up straight, 1, second round, once again arms up, stretch, fold forward, Uttanasana, half fold, Ardha Uttanasana, palms on the mat, jump back, Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, look forward, bend your knees, jump, fold completely, come up, release. Third round, arms up, stretch, fold forward, Ardha Utthana, half fold, palms on the mat, jump, up dog, down dog, stay here for 3 breaths. Relax, 3, 2, 1, look forward, bend your knees, jump, fold completely, come up straight, release. Next 3 rounds, Surya Namaskar B, inhale and Utkatasana, exhale and fold forward, inhale half fold, palms on the mat, jump back to Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale right leg forward between your palms, come up, Chaturanga, exhale, up dog, down dog, inhale right, come up, left, palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga, up, down dog and stay, 3, 2, 1, look forward, bend your knees, jump, fold completely, Utkatasana, exhale, release. Next round, inhale in Utkatasana, exhale, fold, inhale, half fold, jump back to Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale right, palms on the mat, Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale and left, palms on the mat, Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, stay, 3, 2 and 1, look forward, bend your knees, jump, fold completely, inhale and Utkatasana, exhale. Last round, फिर रेस्ट करते. Inhale Utkatasana, exhale and fold, inhale and half, palms on the mat, chaturanga, up, down dog, inhale right, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale and left, chaturanga, up dog, down dog and stay. Push your upper body in, shoulder blades in, stay, 3, 2, 1, look forward, bend your knees, jump, fold completely, inhale and up, exhale and release. Take a moment. टेक अ मोमेंट एंड लुक एट मी. एक बार उत्कट आसन सही से करने का तरीका देखते हैं. तो उत्कट आसन के लिए दोनों पैर हमेशा साथ में ही रखना, ठीक है. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि हम सूर्य नमस्कार कर रहे थे, ऐसे चले जा रहे हैं, पर अगली बार ऐसे ध्यान रखना कि जब पैर साथ में है तो पहले हिप्स पुश करो एंड देन सिट बैक, ठीक है. तो दोनों पैर साथ में, हिप्स बैक, सिट लाइक अ चेयर एंड देन आर्म्स अप. आर्म्स ऐसे होना ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट योर बॉडी और हैंड्स एक लाइन में जाएंगे. और बस ये नीज़ को, टोज़ को क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए, नीज़. लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. फीट टुगेदर, रिलैक्स, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, इनहेल, exhale and hips back, sit as low as you can. Nice. Now arms up, breathe, try to keep your knees also together, balance, hold, hold, stay, breathe, breathe, breathe and relax. हुआ difficult थोड़ा? एक बार और. तो वेरिएशन भी करेंगे, 5 काउंट के लिए होल्ड करेंगे एंड देन विल डू द ट्विस्ट. हिप्स बैक, आर्म्स अप, स्लोली. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Join your palms. Now your left elbow will cross your right knee. Join here and look up. 5, stay. 4, keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Once again, inhale and up. Join your palms on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Shake your legs. Let's get into the next one. Separate your legs. Right foot out, left foot in. Virabhadrasana 1. It's okay. And then bend your right knee. Either. Bend your right knee. Nice. Try to bring it parallel, thigh parallel to the ground. Now turn towards the leg, front leg. Both your arms up. Both your arms up. अभी हम डायनामिक करेंगे, ठीक है. एक बार देखो, just look once. We will be here. Then we will come to Virabhadrasana 2. We will go to reverse warrior. Then fold forward here, but knee straight. और जितना फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड करके और हेड को नी की तरफ ला सकते हैं, ठीक है. ये इसके बाद विल टेक 1 विन्यासा, अप डॉग, डाउन डॉग, एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर ब्रिंग द लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड एंड सेम, ठीक है. तो विन्यासा से स्टार्ट करते हैं. आर्म्स अप, फोल्ड, हाफ फोल्ड, jump back to chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale and right leg forward, Veerbhadrasana 1, look forward, stay here, not to stay. Next, look at your right hand, then reverse, look up, your right hand will go closer to your ear and look up, closer to ear, yes, then forward fold with the knee straight, ठीक है, जितना फोल्ड कर सकते हो fold it, stay there and then take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, left leg forward, up, Veerbhadrasana 1, Veerbhadrasana 2, reverse and then forward, fold and stay here, take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog. Let's repeat same right and left for 5 times, right, पूरा सीक्वेंस रिपीट करेंगे 5 टाइम्स पर डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग से राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड कंटिन्यूसली, अभी होल्ड नहीं करना है, वीरभद्रासन 1, वॉरियर 2, रिवर्स, फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड, चतुरंगा, अप डॉग, डाउन डॉग, लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड, वॉरियर 1, वॉरियर 2, रिवर्स, फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड, take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, third round, right leg forward, warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse, right hand को ऐसे लेके जाओ, forward fold, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, left leg forward, warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse warrior, fold forward, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale right, 4th round, come up, warrior 2, reverse, fold forward, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale left, warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse, forward fold, take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, last one, right leg forward, warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse, forward fold, take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, inhale left, warrior 1, 2, reverse, fold forward, take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog and stay, breathe, 3, 2, 1, look forward, fold forward, jump, come up straight, release. Next one is, I'll show you tree pose with a tilt or half moon pose. तो tree pose you know it, पैर जाएगा at the top और make sure कि नी के ऊपर नहीं आना चाहिए, या तो यहाँ रखना है या फिर you have to keep it at the top. So either here or here. अगर support चाहिए तो take the support. We'll hold it 5 times, then you will tilt toward the bent knee, जो knee bend है, will hold here, then you will drop it, and then what you will do is sideways, जैसे हम वीरभद्रासन 3 में इस तरह से फॉरवर्ड थे एंड देन लेग वाज दिस साइड, नाउ योर लेग विल बी दिस वे एंड दिस यू हैव टू होल्ड. ठीक है, तो ट्री पोज ऑन राइट एंड लेफ्ट, होल्ड इट, ट्री पोज टिल्ट, होल्ड इट, एंड देन दिस, एक एक बारी. Take a breath, relax. Let's start. Balance on your left, right leg, catch it, place it, balance, stay, focus, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand, focus, tilt. It's okay. Once more, we'll hold for tilted posture. Let's do it. यहीं पे करके करते हैं. Keep it here. Yes, knee के थोड़ा नीचे. And then balance. Try. बहुत सारा हो गया ना आज. Easy. Yes. Stay. Stay. इतना ही चलेगा. Drop. Let's do it on the left. Left leg up. Stay. Then tilt. 5, 4, आराम से, 3, focus, 2, 1, release. एक side it's always easy, right? Let's try again on the right. ठीक है, सिर्फ tilt, balance करना है सिर्फ, bring it. Balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's do half moon. So, fold forward. First, place your hand and open your feet to the left. Left foot open. Yes. Stay. Two, 1. Relax. To the left. Fold. Open your right leg. Two, 1. Come back, relax. Take a moment. Sit down in child's pose and relax. Child's pose अगर ऐसे difficult है तो open it from here and then go down and relax. Breathe in, breathe out. And then slowly walk back. Come here in Parvatasana. Just move your toes and heels. Move. Let's do Anjaneya pose. Right leg in between your palms. Left leg. Stretch nicely. ठीक है? Stretch it as much as you can. Left वाला. And then come up. Straight. Arms up. Arch back as much as you can and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. अभी यहाँ से bring your leg into pigeon pose. Stretch. Yes. पहले take the leg back, left leg back, straight up. अगर ये difficult है तो bring your leg like this and then knee center में आएगा तो थोड़ा सा it will be easy. ठीक है? Stay there. Arch back. Arch as much as you can. And then slowly from there fold forward, reach down and stay there. Open your hands forward, straight and stay. Slowly walk your hands back. From here, bring your leg back, take your leg up higher, as high as you can. And then drop it. Same thing, lift your left leg, bring it between your palms and Anjaneya Asana. Arch. Drop your hands, come to left leg pigeon pose, straight, right leg straight up, stretch nicely. Then start to fold forward. Take your hands forward and stay there. Stay. Slowly walk your hands back. Take your leg back. Left leg up and then drop it. Stay there in mountain. And then slowly lift your right leg up, bring it outside your right hand for lizard pose. Drop your elbows and stay, look forward. Stay there. Drop your left knee on the mat, come up and push your right leg, open your hips. Stay, push as much as you can, bring it back, take the leg up and drop, take the left leg up, bring it forward outside, bring your elbows down, look at the top of your mat, stay. Drop your right leg down, come up. With the left hand, push your left knee and open your chest. ऐसे open your hand, stay there. Once again, take the leg back and drop, relax in child's pose. Stay. Slowly come back, relax, come onto your knees, hip width apart, knees and legs. Just push your hips forward and arch back nicely. Slowly, slowly come back. Now take the right hand back, hold your ankle, take the left hand back, hold and open your chest, drop your head back. Yes, nice. Drop your head, relax, hold it, stay there, keep breathing. Slowly bring your left hand forward, right hand, relax. Now what you have to do is try to sit in Virasana. So instead of sitting on your heels, separate your heels, sit between your heels. ठीक है? Sit here, back straight, stay there, hold. Now slowly you have to come forward थोड़ा सा. Yes. Now if you are comfortable, अगर comfortable हो तभी जाना. Now start to go down and lie down in Virasana. Stay. Nice. Go back. Nice. If you can lie down completely, try that. Right? That's okay. Then come up. Relax. Stretch your legs forward. Sit straight. Bend your right leg. Both your arms up. Inhale. Exhale and fold as much as you can. Stay there. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Breathe deep and long. Stretch your arms. Come up. Relax. Change. Take both your arms up. Exhale. Fold forward as much as you can and hold. Stay there. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay. Stretch your arms. Come up. Both your legs forward. Inhale. With an exhalation, fold forward and hold your legs wherever possible. Stay there. Stay. Stay. Hold a little longer. Stay. दोनों पैर पास में. Nice. With every exhalation, try to go slightly more down. Stay. Stretch your arms. Come up. And then both your palms behind your hips. Closer. Lift yourself up. Drop your head back. Stay. And release. Come back. And lie down on your mat. Now bring both your feet together, legs together. Some simple leg raises. Inhale and right leg up, straight. Exhale and down. Inhale left up. Exhale down. Keep your knees straight. Inhale right. Interlock your hands behind your leg. And stretch. Bring it closer to your body first. Bring it closer to your face, as close as possible. Nice stretch for your hips and hamstrings. Now with an exhalation, head up, chest up. Try to keep both your knees straight. Stay. Stay there. Release your head. Release your leg. Bring your left leg up. Interlock your hands behind. पहले पैर को पास में लेकर आओ, as close as possible. Bring it closer, closer. With an exhalation, lift your head up, chest up. Stay. Stay there. Exhale, head down. Release your leg.